Let's start with a number so large it's almost impossible to comprehend. Every single day, users on YouTube watch over 1 billion hours of video content. That's not per year or per month, that's every single day. This isn't just a platform, it's a global phenomenon, a digital continent of attention with a population hungry for new experiences. For an aspiring creator, this represents one of the single greatest opportunities in modern history to build an audience and a business from anywhere in the world. The question isn't whether people are watching, it's what are they watching? And that brings us to the travel niche. Amidst the endless sea of content, travel consistently ranks as one of the most evergreen and profitable niches on the entire platform. Why? Because it taps into fundamental human desires: curiosity, the thirst for adventure, and the need for escapism. People watch travel videos to dream, to plan their next vacation, or to simply experience a corner of the world they may never see in person. This content never gets old. A video about the top 10 things to do in Rome is just as relevant today as it will be 5 years from now, creating a library of assets that work for you around the clock. This evergreen nature, combined with lucrative monetization through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing for everything from flights to camera gear, makes it a goldmine. From breathtaking drone shots of hidden beaches that make you want to book a flight immediately, to practical budget travel hacks that rack up millions of views, travel channels absolutely dominate the YouTube algorithm. The platform's AI is designed to serve viewers content that keeps them watching, and the visual splendor and compelling narratives of travel videos are a perfect match. Formats like top 10 inches lists, destination guides, and historical deep dives are proven winners that you can systematize and produce at scale. Now here's the twist that changes everything. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have the time or money to travel the world. Or, I'm not comfortable being on camera. Here's the secret the most successful media companies on YouTube have already figured out. You don't need to show your face or even pack a single suitcase to build a massively successful travel channel. You can become the producer, the director, the architect of a content empire, all from the comfort of your own home. But this is where the dream meets a harsh reality for so many beginners. They dive in with enthusiasm only to hit a wall of overwhelming roadblocks. They rely on generic AI scripts that sound robotic and lack any real storytelling, resulting in videos with no soul. They struggle to find high-quality footage, ending up with a mismatched collection of clips that feels cheap and unprofessional. They get bogged down by the steep learning curve of complex editing software, spending dozens of hours on a single video. And worst of all, they neglect the two most critical elements for growth: compelling thumbnails that get the click, and strategic SEO that gets their video discovered. The result is a predictable and heartbreaking cycle of effort without reward. You pour your heart, time, and energy into creating something you're proud of, only to see it get buried by the algorithm, collecting dust with a handful of views. This leads directly to creative burnout before you ever taste success. But what if there was a better way? The good news is, there is. When done right, YouTube automation solves every single one of these problems. It's not a magic button, but a strategic system for building a real media asset. It's about leveraging a global talent pool to handle the tasks that are outside your zone of genius. Imagine having a professional scriptwriter craft a captivating story, a talented voice artist bring it to life, an expert video editor weave it all together with stunning visuals, and a designer create a thumbnail that's impossible not to click. This is the power of automation. It allows you to focus on the big picture, ensuring you publish consistent, high-quality videos that the algorithm loves, and build a channel that grows and earns for you without you ever stepping on camera. In this course, we'll show you exactly how. At its core, YouTube automation is outsourcing or streamlining repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategy and growth. Scriptwriting, voiceover, editing, SEO, publishing. The benefits: scalability, anonymity, and powerful monetization potential. Scale faster, stay anonymous, earn from ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Clips of faceless creators, money icons, and subscribers growing. Travel is one of the strongest niches because it's evergreen, visual, and highly monetizable. Evergreen searches, stunning visuals, affiliate and sponsorship ready. Imagine videos like, top 10 hidden beaches in Asia, luxury hotels you won't believe exist, or budget-friendly Europe travel guide. These channels run on systems, not personalities. Quick cuts of stock travel footage matching each example. If YouTube automation sounds exciting but overwhelming, here's the secret: you don't have to do it alone. Fiverr is the go-to outsourcing platform connecting you with editors, writers, voiceover artists, SEO pros, and thumbnail designers. Fiverr equals your automation team. Video editors, scriptwriters, voiceovers, SEO, thumbnails. And Fiverr even offers travel website automation services, letting you expand beyond YouTube into blogs and affiliate sites. Footage of Fiverr homepage, freelancer thumbnails, and gig previews. To save you hours of searching, here are 4 top-rated Fiverr experts in 2025 for travel YouTube automation. Emdruk Newzeman, 5.0 stars, SEO and editing. Altaf H, 4.9 stars, SEO plus travel websites. Emda Altaf Hassan, 4.9 stars, paid ads and short scaling. Adisham Altaf, 5.0 stars, thumbnails and branding. Pro tip, combine their strengths into your dream team. SEO, thumbnails and ads working together to grow your channel. Dynamic slides introducing each expert with profile-style animations, star ratings, and specialties. Here's your detailed roadmap to building a profitable faceless travel channel from the ground up. First, choose your niche. This is non-negotiable. Don't just be a travel channel. Be channel for a specific audience. Go beyond budget or luxury. Think solo female travel, adventure hiking, or even hyper-specific niches like vegan food tours in Southeast Asia. A defined audience makes you discoverable, attracts loyal subscribers, and opens the door to lucrative brand deals. Your niche is your foundation. Next, script and storyboard. A great video starts with a great script. Your #1 priority is the hook. Instead of, "Here are things to do in Rome," try, "You're visiting Rome all wrong. Here are 5 tourist traps to avoid." You're creating intrigue. Use proven formats like top 10 countdowns or 7 mistakes listicles. Always end with a clear call to action, asking viewers to comment or subscribe. This blueprint makes the entire production process smoother. Now build your team on Fiverr. This is how you automate and scale. You are the CEO, not the employee. Your most critical hire is a skilled video editor. They turn your script and stock footage into a compelling story. But don't stop there. Hire a scriptwriter if you hate writing, hire a voiceover artist for a professional sound, and crucially, hire a thumbnail designer. A great thumbnail is everything. By delegating, you create a content assembly line and free yourself to focus on growth. Then, upload and optimize. This is how you tell YouTube's algorithm who should see your video. Your title must be clickable and keyword-rich. Your description is prime real estate. Use it for a keyword-filled summary, timestamps, and affiliate links. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to help YouTube categorize your content. Finally, organize videos into thematic playlists to encourage binge watching, which the algorithm loves. And finally, monetization. Ad revenue is just the beginning. The real money is in affiliate marketing. Partner with sites like Booking.com or link to travel gear on Amazon. You earn a commission on every sale through your link. As you grow, you'll attract sponsorships and brand deals. You can even create and sell your own digital products like detailed PDF travel itineraries or packing lists. Diversify your income streams from day one. This is a repeatable system. Define your niche, script for retention, delegate production, optimize for discovery, and diversify your income. Follow this with consistency and you'll build a professional, profitable, and sustainable travel brand, all without ever showing your face. YouTube automation isn't just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we think about work and wealth in the digital age. It's the blueprint for building a true passive income stream. Imagine creating an asset that works for you tirelessly day and night without requiring your constant presence. This is about building a system that generates revenue on its own terms, giving you the freedom to live life on yours. We're moving beyond the gig economy and into the asset economy, where the content you commission today becomes a source of income for years to come. And there is no better niche to build this asset in than travel. Travel content is evergreen. A video on the hidden gems of Italy will be just as relevant 5 years from now as it is today. This longevity means your videos accumulate views and revenue over the long term, creating a powerful compounding effect. It's also universally inspiring. People are constantly seeking their next adventure, and your channel can become their digital passport. This creates a deeply engaged audience, which is incredibly valuable. And that value translates directly into profit, far beyond just AdSense. Think lucrative affiliate partnerships with booking sites, travel gear companies, and airlines. That's the multi-layered income potential waiting for you. The only thing standing between you and your faceless channel is action. It's easy to get lost in analysis paralysis, trying to perfect every detail before you even begin. But success in this space doesn't come from having the perfect plan, it comes from starting. And starting is simpler than you think. It's a series of small, decisive steps. You don't need to be an expert filmmaker or writer, you just need to be the director, the visionary who sets the strategy and guides the team. This is where the power of a platform like Fiverr comes in. It's your global talent pool, ready to bring your vision to life. You can find expert scriptwriters, talented voiceover artists, and skilled video editors who will handle the heavy lifting. The sooner you start building this team and commissioning your first video, the sooner you can build a channel that earns for you 24/7. Every video you publish is a new digital employee working around the clock to grow your empire. So why wait? The path is clear, the tools are available, the opportunity is right in front of you. Ready to launch your faceless channel? Check out the Fiverr experts linked below and start building your YouTube empire today. They are the collaborators who will help you outsource the work, automate the process, and grow your channel into a powerful, profitable asset. Don't just watch this video, act on it. Click those links, explore the talent, and take the first concrete step. Build your faceless channel. Outsource, automate, grow. Start today. And before you go, if this guide provides value, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. We're constantly releasing new guides and strategies, and you won't want to miss what's next. Thank you for watching.